Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Take this red and yellow color of paper and cut small strips. Now we are going to make the frill. So roll it and put it at the center of the strip. Tie it. Now we are going to cut the extra part, make a hole, and we are going to make a circle like this. Tie a knot at the start and make the hanging. Now we are going to slide all of them and look, it's ready. First cut a yellow circle, fold it and make semicircle. Now we are going to paste all of them, make two such shapes. Let's cut the bunny now using the same color of paper. Combine all of them, paste the frill and hanging, and look, is ready. We are going to cut this plastic cup and we are going to cover it using these colorful craft paper. Paste it around the bottle using double-sided tape. Now cut the frill as well, roll it and put it at the bottom. Put some fairy light inside it and look, it is ready. Cut a red circle, fold it and make this semicircle. As you can see on the numbers, we are going to paste double-sided tape on the numbers. Look like this. Make more such colorful semicircles and paste all of them. Now we are going to paste it at the center as well and paste the frill and hanging. Make the ball. Now cut the bunnies and paste it and it's ready. We are going to fold this red color of circle, fold it and paste it from one corner and make a shape like this. After this, we are going to make 5 more such colorful flower petals and paste it at the center, paste the pearls. Now make more such pieces and make a ball. We are also going to paste the frill and hanging and it's ready. Take this red color of paper, make multiple cut, fold it from the sides. Now paste another paper using double-sided tape, roll it and make a circle like this. Let's make the top and bottom of it, paste the frill at the top and bottom and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.